see your arms?
Mine?
Yeah, let me see.
Like flex?
Yeah, I want to see something good. All right, good. So I want to determine a workout that'll benefit you. 'Cause I'm not gonna do something that's gonna benefit me, you know, because I already know what I always do. So
what do you see looking at my biceps then?
Yeah, I'm gonna work more. No, so right here, you're gonna work more on that peak, hitting more the outer. You know, you already got that thickness, so from the back, see right here. See, he's got a lot of mass in the front. When it goes to the back, you can't see the depth of his mass. So we're gonna work more on the outer. So we're gonna pull out that extra, you know, bicep, 2 heads, here and here. You know, people tend to dominate this one. This is the one you see. So you always tend to work on it a little bit more. So you're gonna start pulling it from the insertion right here. That's it. Just the warm up, you know. Now, why the pause, the negative, the pause, the negative, because most people do this.
Yeah.
There's a time for that, and that's called a superset drop set. That's it. Not right now.
Just slow it down?
Yeah. Yeah, right across your body, right? Yeah, right across. Yeah. See, it's already pulling. I can see it pulling right from out of here. And of course, we're gonna hit some Brachialis towards the end. Again, we don't want to take away from the bicep by doing Brachialis first. You know, so we do those always last. And just for warm up, we're not going crazy heavy. This is just to set us up. Just blood, yeah.
Feel it?
Yeah.
Get the mind rate?
This will probably be the heaviest we'll go.
Right.
People see you always looking at your arms, they feel like you're being self-centered or anything. Forget about them. You know, it's that connection that you're trying to make, because just by a little turn, you'll see like, okay, this is it. Now you keep doing it. You know you're activating the right area.
Yeah.
And what I tell you this, because it happened to me. I was doing arms so much, it started sagging from one side.
Yeah.
Started pulling it back.
I mean, that's what's happening to me right now,
Yeah, it starts sagging, you know, just like anything else.
You get all the inner head, yeah.
Work too much chest, not enough back, your chest will round off, your back won't hold, so it's the balance, you know. All the way, all the way. Blow it out the top. Yeah. Why they're blowing out the top? Because that's what helps you contract. You can't do an ab pose without blowing it out. And of course,
I'm always that guy who stopped thinking of it.
No, right away, because again, you're gonna hold it, but what's gonna create? Less oxygen, less momentum, less blood flow, less of a pump.
Yeah.
You know? And of course, those people that say, oh, I don't do squats because it gets me dizzy. Breathe. Make this one a double, right?
Double?
Double set.
All right. Tell me this is gonna be a casual warm-up exercise.
But we didn't go heavy, see? Why? Because we want to focus on the full contraction and squeezing of the muscle. That's it. Going heavy, the form, contraction would have been out the window. Man, come on, 1, 2. Good about having that young muscle. You still have time to mold it, you know? Come on. Yeah, blow it up. Good. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna go to dumbbells. We're gonna start get that peak, that pinky contraction.
Bring in the peak,
yeah, let's do it. Now the first one doesn't count. That was just a warm up. All right, so we don't count that one.
Starting now.
My elbows, they stay dropped.
Are you keeping your legs up on purpose?
The purpose for that is keep your legs open. What will happen? You're gonna extend them out. So that keeps the dumbbells closer to you.
Okay.
Yeah. You're working the inner. As you go down and you twist, you're pulling from back up here. That's it. Now, if I wanted to work out the inner, then I could do this and kind of stay out.
More out, yeah.
Yeah, but I want to focus more in here, a little bit in here. That's why.
Keep them tucked in.
Keep it, yeah.
It's one of those tricks you only learn from
Yeah,
someone's
just
experience.
small things, a little freaking 2 inches here, half an inch there, makes a big difference. Some fibers are underused, some muscle fibers, so. Look at that control, man, look at that. You know, people doing this 25 years plus, and they still don't have this control, this precise form. We want math, so now we're doing, you know, 10, 12 reps, that's it. Come showtime, then you keep those high reps, you know?
Yeah. What's high for you then, like 20?
I usually start 20, 15, and stay at 15 most of the time, you know? You can swing on this just to finish the set, but I tend not to be a swinger, you know? I don't know if you're a swinger.
Usually not. on weekends, maybe.
Yeah. Oh. That pinky up. Oh. That pinky up. Oh. Yeah.
Felt that one.
Yeah. See that little, just that little freaking
tiny
twist.
little inch, yeah.
You can actually feel the peak without even using weights, just by turning your peak, posing. Your actual peak starts hurting.
Yeah.
Just playing around at home, getting that contraction.
Get that on film. Get this guy. Do that. Just twist
a
it.
little peak.
Twist, yeah. Look at that, complete different just from rotating his wrist.
That's it.
Insane. One day, maybe.
I was just one everyone. That's it. Whoa, fuck that. I say you stay with the 40s. This is that breathing, bro. Let's get that breathing. Yeah. Now another week, what I would do instead of doing dumbbells like this, I would just do a straight bar.
Straight, like wider grip or straight bar?
Yeah, straight bar. Again, you know, shoulder width apart.
Yeah. Would you do it on this too?
Again,
or
if I was working the inside, then I'll go wider.
Okay.
But right here, you hit both heads directly.
The more in your hands there, the more
you go in, again, but that's why you enhance the curl bar.
Yeah.
So when you do the straight bar closer, you're gonna notice you're gonna get a lot of, too much pressure on your wrist.
Yeah.
That's
wrist
why,
will be breaking out.
That's why they made this. There's a spot and there's a spot contraction. He didn't need a spot, he can lift the weight, it's obvious, you know. I just wanted him to get the most of the squeeze at the top. What happens is when you start lifting it, when you want to get that squeeze, your muscles tends to let out. You also avoid injuries by just getting that extra, you know, half inch, you know, allowment for him to squeeze that muscle. You get more of that contraction. Most people think you need a spot right from the beginning to the end, and most people spot, you know, overkill. They lift the weights for you. All right, get a good workout here, not try to be heroes. Let's go. Come on. Come on. All right. You know, full workout, man. I'm trying to cut corners, man, but training with Olympia Physique runner-up, Classic Physique, man, you can't do that.
You can't leave me hanging like
Can't
that.
do that, man. Pushing. Your boogers are coming out. Wanna try it?
I'll give it a go.
Yeah, give it a good 6, bro. Do a drop, bro. It's not about the signs you see in the gym. It's about fucking gym etiquette, fucker. Y machine, I mean, we could have done the free weights. We've done already 2 exercises, free weights. Let's now, you know, there's enough pressure you can put on your tendons.
Yeah, for sure.
Just cut back on that pressure by doing this, you know. See the angle? I do it like this. Gonna hit more here.
Bring more in.
Right here.
Yeah.
Now Chris has got to be careful because he got these long limbs, you know. He has a lot of room to put on a lot of muscle. If he keeps trying to get bigger, guess what? No more Classic Physique for him.
Ain't gonna make weight anymore.
No. Just watching to see his form again. Right away, people compensate. What happens? They shorten it. Went to 4 rings. It's about that 4 rings right there. That's how you make Mr. Olympia, guys. Breathe. Yeah, breathe. I'm gonna do 3 here and about 4 parts. So
what?
It's actually 3 sets, but in 4 parts. I always say 3, you know, it's actually 3 sets, but the last one we kind of just dropped to fill that area right there, you know, flame it up. Good pace, good pace. Make it a triple drop, all right?
Triple
the
drop?
3rd set, but it's, you know, like I said,
It'll be 6
now. All right.
So take off each 10?
So I'm gonna do 1, 10, 1, 10, and then just 25.
All right.
The 25 will probably be the slowest because the weight is so light. We're gonna do those slow twitch muscle now in the end. That's it. And too light.
Too late?
Yeah.
You want the 5 on or something?
Yeah, so you're gonna do the top deep contraction. good. Good strength. Go. Keep contraction, bro. Right at the top. Contraction again. Points of lifting. You know, when you start your arm, it starts from here. It's the second point, and peak contraction is here. Why we finish that last, you know, it's so light, there's no point of taking it from point A to point B. So just keep it at top and hit the peak contraction.
It's the final hard part.
That's it, yeah. The last one, man. Last one is my favorite because it transitions you from, you know, again, right out here, the Brachialis transitions you to the forearm. You know, when I do arms alone, you gotta do forearms.
Yeah.
You know, in the second workout, don't do forearms. So doing arms alone, and always when I do arms, I always tend to do a cardio, which will not happen today.
Not today. When you're doing it with the bar, do you keep your wrist locked or do you like move it at all?
No, I keep them down.
Keep them down?
Keep them locked for some reason, you know, put a lot of pressure on
Yeah.
your joints. By just letting them hang, you know, you're just focusing on the
Get
arm.
the same contraction and
Yeah,
not
you
on
don't
the
want to
wrist.
let the weight kind of just hang. So at the end of the day, your bicep and brachialis is the point that's lifting it. You notice once you start keeping them straight, it's gonna actually bother some sort of your elbow.
Up in the tendons in there.
It's gonna bother your tendons. So. That's why I only do 3 on these.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Oh, right there. Feel that. By the time usually touch the muscle, a person will feel it psychologically. You actually have a better connection. You good. Right away, you want to compensate. You want to use that shoulder. You want to drop it.
Coming across the body, eh? Or
Yeah, it's slightly
just a little
across.
bit?
Slightly across.
like,
Yeah. Yeah. To actually make even the hammers a little bit harder by doing concentration hammers. These are the lost, you know, golden era exercises most people don't do. You can actually do concentration hammer. It's harder, but it hits the brachialis, you know, just a little bit more because now you're not doing it from this angle. Just by dropping it, you know, you're gonna get a little bit more leverage, but also a longer drive on the curl.
so you would do that like chest on the bench?
You can actually do it right here. Do it right here.
Just lean over?
Yeah, lean over. Same way you would do concentration, which will be here.
Yeah.
Now you're doing just hammer.
Just don't turn the wrist.
Yeah, it'll be a hammer curl. And those, I go back and forth. 1 week I'll do standing, 1 week I'll do concentration.
Yeah, keep switching it up.
Same thing, yeah. So I've seen people lift the heaviest weights and they have the smallest arms. I've seen people lift less weights and have better arms, you know. Do a concentration, man. Why not? Why not? Let's do it.
Yeah?
Let's see the difference. See more brachialis action too. Telling you, Chris, you're gonna cramp after these, boy.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
I know you have a good set. You finish with woo.
That's Ric Flair,
Every
bro.
good set.
Old school. You don't know who he is, man. You're too young.
I'm too young for that. Not my generation.
All right, good drive. Nice, bro. What you
A lot
got?
heavier like that.
What you got? Got 10, good. A lot harder again.
A lot harder, yeah.
Way harder, but
way more concentrated.
Yeah.
Woo! It's become a thing now.
All right, last one, best one. Too easy, see? Once you go from concentration, it's easy. Can't,
too easy. Can't finish off easy.
Go, man. Last one, best one. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I met Victor a few times, but this is our first time really working out together and getting a good workout in. And luckily for me, it was an arm day, because it's something I've been trying to bring up, and we all know Victor's got crazy arms. So it was an amazing experience training with someone with the knowledge, experience, and like a legend like Victor. So he's got a lot of like tricks and things you saw, like little things like putting the dumbbell at your feet, twisting your arm a little certain way to hit the right side of your bicep. So it's amazing training with someone with so much experience, like I said. Just like Victor, he's been through the game, he's done so many amazing accomplishments in the sport. So really having the privilege to train with him, we learned a lot from it. We had a good workout. It was a really good time for sure.